Welcome to SysML Training Crash Course 2019, powered by tonex.com. SysML Training Crash Course encourages you to make the proper engineering plan of the framework based on your requirements. SysML Training Crash Course covers the ideas, prerequisites, devices, and procedures of systems modeling language, SysML. SysML Training Crash Course shows you how to viably gather prerequisites to plan the installed programming dependent on the framework particulars utilizing UML2 and SysML. Training objectives. Comprehend a general way to deal with MBSE. Examine different modeling strategies of the SysML. Give useful necessities. Display conditions among practical and non-utilitarian necessities. Display framework structure by applying square charts with parts and ports. Display physical and consistent limitations, and considering exchange offs. Appoint usefulness being used cases over the framework parts. Clarify conduct by state machine graphs. Clarify conduct by movement charts. Address assignments of conduct, for example to programming or equipment parts and many other. Course outline. Overview. Language architecture. Compliance. Language formalism. Model elements. Blocks. Ports and flows. Diagram elements. UML extensions. Constraint blocks. Activities. Interactions. State machines. Use cases. Requirements. Gathering requirements and translating them into system specifications. Profiles and model libraries. Transforming system specifications into design-level components. SysML Training Crash Course hands-on activities. In-class labs. Case studies. Videos. Course recommended for system analysts, system architects, systems engineers, professionals moving into system-level engineering, managers who are responsible for the delivery of software-intensive systems. Are you interested in SysML Training Crash Course 2019? Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website link www.tonex.com.